Hello everyone, welcome to one of my very first videos. My name is Cindy Jarvis and my channel is called Monarch Mom DIY. I will be posting a video all about why I chose that name probably in a few weeks. But today I have a Dollar Tree haul and I'm very excited because some of my first videos coming up are going to be craft and decor DIYs, mostly around Valentine's Day. So if you're new to my channel, which obviously you are because it's a new channel, I'd love it if you would give a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe, and get ready for some great DIYs. So let's get started with what I hauled a couple days ago from Dollar Tree. I was very excited to find two more of these buffalo plaid fleece scarves. These are leftover from winter, obviously. I might use one or two of them for Valentine's, otherwise they will be saved until next winter. One of the Valentine's signs this year is a chalkboard in the middle with some red glitter. It's a fairly good size, I'd say about 12 inches tall and 12 inches wide, so keep looking for this in an upcoming DIY. I also picked up one of these smaller, let me show you the size difference. Slightly smaller, I'd say about 8 or 9 inches tall. It's unfinished. This one is real wood. It's pretty thin, but this will be used in a DIY. Another sign is this Happy Valentine's Day. I'm going to be removing this banner. You can see it's raised on there in a DIY and changing this up for some fun Valentine decor. Another item I was very happy to find is this love. It's pretty thick. I believe it could stand by itself, but it's got a jute string to hang. It also has, if you didn't want the string, it's got these two little hangers for nails on the back. So keep looking for this in a future DIY. I thought these were super cute. These are little plastic mason jars, a lot lighter for if you were going to make something with them hanging. So again, keep looking for these, keep watching. In the Valentine's party section, I found some packages of these small little pens. I had bought some at Halloween. They had also a package of 12 for $1, and I was able to scratch off this design, and it's just a white pen underneath. So I use these with my micro-sized traveler's notebooks that I make and sell, so you can be looking for those. Dollar Tree, if you didn't know, they have a huge card selection that are either $1 or 2 for $1, but they also have these that they look very handmade, and they all come individually wrapped in plastic. I loved this one that says Love Potion. This is going to be used in a Valentine's DIY as well. A few other things in this bag, some red and white gingham check ribbon. I got 2 bags of these plastic red heart table scatter. There are 50 pieces. See if I can get that to zoom in. 50 pieces for $1. I got 2. I think I might go back and get 1 or 2 more because I think I need a little bit more for what I'm wanting to do with those. Dollar Tree, if you didn't know, has a wonderful selection of these wall stickers, wall art. I thought this one was really great for Valentine's. It's from 1 Corinthians 13, love bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, endures all things. So this is going to be in a DIY. I sound like a broken record. A couple other things. Gum, not for a Valentine's DIY. Some glitter foam hearts in both pink and red. This is not Valentine's related, but it is related to my YouTube channel. I was so excited to find these monarch butterfly stickers. I'm going to use a few of them probably to make a banner sign for my YouTube channel. All right, that was one bag. Let's see. Coming up. Oh, I thought these frames were so pretty. I think it says 3.25 inch. So it looks like it would fit a 3x3 picture. But I got 4 of these. They are plastic. They have like a silver, hammered silver finish to them. These are going to be in a DIY for Valentine's. I'm not big on the bright color Valentine decor with like this glittery tinsel, but one thing I've learned by doing DIYs and watching videos is you look at the bones. What could I do to modify this to change it to something that I would like? So these are going to be used, not like this, so stay tuned to see what I do with those hearts. I also found this little wood. It's, no, maybe it's not real wood. It's MDF, but it looks real wood. It's heavy. Has this little heart on top. I do like the Bless Our Home. I am going to change this one for Valentine's. Just a little bit, because it already has the heart. All right, a few more things. Dollar Tree does have their spring and Valentine florals out. So I got another one of these gypsos. It kind of looks like baby's breath. These I'm probably going to wait and use later on in a spring DIY. But I got these pink roses that I'm going to use, you guessed it, in an upcoming Valentine's DIY. All right, I got 3 of these. These are glass, red obviously with a heart shape. They're little vases. I got 3 of them that I will be doing something fun with for my fireplace mantle for Valentine's. A few more things. They had this heavy ceramic silver. I believe they had this in silver and gold. It's got a nice wide area here on top. You could put a taper candle in there, but I'm going to be using it with this guy for a Valentine's DIY. Oh, this is not for Valentine's, but my kitchen is red and teal, and I loved this little rooster for my kitchen. Couple more. We had these felt heart stickers. Where's the camera? There it is. They have a little stitching, a little jewel on them. I am going to probably be making some paper clips for my traveler's notebook for Valentine's for February. And I got another roll of this burlap and lace ribbon. I use a lot of this in my home decor DIYs, so you'll see what that is going to be used for. This was really fun. They had this white ceramic, I guess it's like a votive candle holder. This one has silver on the bottom. They also had gold, and they also had plain white. So I'm going to use this. Actually, I don't know what I'm using this for. I just liked it. Thought it was cute. A couple round, ooh, sorry about that reflection. Couple round mirrors that I'm going to be using, I think with this. So we'll have to see what happens with that. And that is it for this Dollar Tree haul. I hope you will subscribe and stay tuned for the upcoming Valentine's decor DIYs that I'm going to use all of these wonderful items with. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.